In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off save and fill addresses on Google Chrome, so Chrome stops saving new address details and auto-filling forms automatically. This is really helpful if you want more privacy, want to stop Chrome from suggesting old address information, or just want to keep your browser cleaner and more controlled. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Chrome guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all the important browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. Chrome will open the Settings page in a new tab, and this is where you can control everything, from privacy to passwords to autofill options. Now, on the left sidebar, find and click Autofill and Passwords. This section contains the features Chrome uses to store and complete information automatically, including addresses, payment methods, and other saved data. Next, click Contact Info, which is where Chrome manages your saved address information. If you've ever noticed Chrome filling in your name, street address, city, or postal code on forms, this is the section behind it. Here, you'll see the option called Save and Fill Addresses. This is the feature that allows Chrome to remember new address details and automatically fill them in when you're shopping online or entering shipping information. To turn it off, simply switch the toggle to Off. Once you do that, Chrome will stop saving new address information, and it will no longer autofill address forms automatically. And that's it. You've now turned off Save and Fill Addresses on Google Chrome. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you want fewer autofill suggestions or more control over what your browser remembers. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.